Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.